U.S. stocks ended slightly higher on Friday as a rally by Tesla failed to spark meaningful gains for Wall Street's main indexes. The Dow, S&P 500, and the Nasdaq all rose just over 0.1%. Tesla shares climbed for the 11th straight day, matching their longest winning streak, last achieved in January of 2021. Shares rose 4% after General Motors agreed to use Tesla's supercharger network. Shares of GM rose 1%. The relatively quiet day on Wall Street came one day after the benchmark S&P closed 20% above its October 12th finishing low, heralding the start of a new bull market as defined by some investors. That run has been fueled largely by 7 mega-cap tech stocks, including Tesla, says Michael Jones, CEO of Caravel Concepts, which he finds concerning.
When you build a rally of a 500 stock index on 7 stocks, that kind of narrow breadth historically has not always led to a pullback and a correction. But if a correction gets going, it has always been a deep and painful one. We've been in the fantasy land of excess COVID stimulus. When we exit that excess COVID stimulus, the Fed had better have announced convincingly and with unequivocation that they're not going to be tightening anymore, or it could be a tough 2024.
Investors now await inflation data due Tuesday, the same day the Fed kicks off its next 2-day policy meeting. Traders see a more than 70% chance that the central bank will pause its interest rate hikes. In other movers, Netflix gained more than 2.5% following a report from a research firm that said the streaming giant's subscriptions jumped after its crackdown on password sharing. And Target slipped more than 3% after Citi downgraded the big box retailer to neutral, saying sales could fall further this year due to economic challenges.